As me say, the family knows the pump attendant. We know her. My auntie say, we are gonna go down there and we're gonna clear this up. This are go done now. Because she draw something. Hit my mother while the niece is there. While the little girl is there. She go down there. When she go down there, the altercation start again. When she go down there now, the lady take up the gas something and spray my mother with the gas. When she spray my mother with the gas, my auntie jump on her. Jump on her, drag her to the ground. Now she see at that moment, she was scraped or stabbed or whatever. She don't have no stab in her eye. She not get stab up. There's a cut on her face, as per what I heard, because I haven't seen the lady. There's a cut on her face, so she not get no stab up.
Westmoreland, what make you no outy fire? It's not one girl should have did get burn up, and the two girl them fi get burn up and set ablaze. Why you no go there go outy fire for? You no should have never outy fire, you no fi make the girl them burn. Make it fire go and blaze. If fire did supposed to blaze till all I know when you look appear dust. Because me can't understand how you can get up and take yourself if you take set pan people pitney. You no beat the girl what day. You no go back and terrorize the girl. You no walk go until you no reach, you no left on the yard. And this girl they are workplace. And you pop up at the girl workplace, go there, tabar in her face, the two sisters gang the girl and start to want to beat the girl once again.
We are focused on getting her airlifted out of the country to get some help at the JMS, that's the #1 burn center in the world in Augusta, Georgia. So we try, well I try to stay off social media because I don't like it, and I just couldn't do all of that, so I was focusing on my mother.
Yeah.
So how it go is, alright, you know, Hurricane Melissa passed and whatever. My mother take care of the three of we. She raised us, we have a father abroad, he do send money sometime, but really and truly, our mother feed three of we. So she has a shop. She built her own shop in Withorn, and she sells stuff out of it. She have a cook shop and everything. Wait that man, me tell him. Me don't go night. Me tell him. So
Yeah.
mute your mic. So she has a shop up there, and she also works as well. So she work and she have the shop. She run the shop. The shop is a bar and a cook shop as well, because that woman can cook. Everybody love it. So, you know, after the hurricane, whatever, light is on the main road, but light isn't in the lanes. They don't have electricity in the lanes. So she worked and she bought a little generator for herself. She bought a little generator.
Well, on my side, she got mute here. She lead up to the whole something, you know. She lead up to the whole thing of going over Witton, over a Fesco gas station. So we just a join on, she reach her part, we shot her mother buy a generator. So we just jump on and that's how she reach. So just give her a minute. She fix her connection and forward, you see me? In the meantime, I can't top up the screen, man. I beg you no give you no brother. But I feel like I don't have a style move over this, but my bum buckled. I come beg you know. But with that, just top up the screen. Just top up the screen. I want to give round. Just top up the screen, make it reach to your people. Zami, what your name? It's what that? It's Zami, Azami, or it's Ami?
My name is Amoy, and her name is Abigail.
Abi. Oh, I see you pre. Sorry.
Oh, yeah.
Go through now, yeah.
Mute back your mic, Amai. Mute back your mic. Let me do it. So, where was I? So she have a little generator behind her shop. She used it to run because they lost their house. But one of my aunts, they still have a concrete house. So there are three of them, 3 aunts that live up there. 3 sisters. Those are our aunts, they live up there. So one of them have a concrete house. So the other aunt and my mother would live in the house that was blown down by Melissa. So the youngest sister lives with the aunt that still has her concrete house, and my mother live in her shop. Alright. So she run a generator for the 3 of them to use. So we live very close to a gas station. So you know she go with her jug, she go buy her gas. So she go down to the gas station. And when she got to the gas station, this is the pump attendant now. She got to the gas station. There was a bike man in front of her that bought gas. The pump attendant was trying to make change for the man. The change that the man needed, my mother had the exact amount. Because they're not like she buy no whole lead. The exact amount, not right now.
Yo, hold on. Wanna
Not
hear
right
the
now, not
update
right
here?
now.
Cause me hear the update here too, you know. Make sure tell me someone did hear the update here, you know. Alright, continue, mommy.
So she had the exact amount of change, and there's camera footage to prove this. Because they run it, because I'm going to get to that. She had the exact change. She handed it to the bike man. The bike man said, all right, mommy, and he might take off. While the pump attendant saw, the pump attendant said,
You know, BB cloth work here, so.
you know, that work here, so what you give money for? What you give money for? Take back your money, get back your money, and not get no gas. My mother said, what you mean me not get no gas? You see when me give him the change right there. When me give him, get back your money and I get no gas. She called back the man. She called back the bike man. The bike man say, why you cause a problem? She give me the change. You say you don't have any change. So, why problem? Anyways, the pump attendant now, I don't know where she get it from, draw for a knife. My mother draw for a piece of wood out of a bicycle that was there. Somebody came and saw the altercation, caught it. Anyways, whatever. The manager of the gas station run back the camera because me assume maybe them say she not really give him the money. So run back the camera where he saw that she got whatever. So the camera footage is there.
That you good? Eh? Carry on, yeah.
So the camera footage is there. Anyways, after that altercation, there's a police station near the gas station right across the road. My mother went to the police station and reported it. She reported the incident to the police. That day done. And another day, she saw the manager of the gas station. And she said to the manager, say, do you have a problem with me coming down here to buy gasoline? Like you don't want me on the premises because of the altercation? The man said, no, come and buy your gas. So everything that I said before about the first altercation is on camera. And she made the report. It is in the book. Western Police Station does not give receipts when they make reports. So I don't know if she have one or whatever, but I've seen where we have given reports and we don't get a receipt. But it's in the big book. It did it. So if they go back to the day, it is there. Anyways, that day done and gone, whatever. On Thursday now. Alright. The gas station setup where you have the gas station and down to the other end of the gas station, there are like a hardware store. There's someone that does here. Some little shops down in the other end. I was opening up an ice cream shop on the other half of my mother's shop. So I was helping her set up another part of the shop. And you know you have to billy a board shop, you have to billy whatever. She ran out of nails. So she go down to the hardware store. There's another gas she go to buy. She was going down to the hardware store. So you'd have to pass the pump attendant and whatever if you go over to that side where the hardware is.
Continue.
So when she pass, she's walking with my cousin. That is the one that in quotation stabbed the pump attendant. That is her daughter. She go with my cousin. So she's walking with her niece. Because my aunt is already at the hardware over that side. My aunt is already there. When she was walking there, because My family knows the pump attendant, you know. It's not a stranger. My family knows the pump attendant. While she was walking to go to the hardware store, the pump attendant see her, she see the pump attendant. The pump attendant cut her eye off of her, as I would say, cut her eye off of her. And then my mother would have said, your face chippy chippy like. My mother would have responded, your face chippy chippy like. Your face chippy chippy like. So when my mother said that no, she draw for a chair. The pump attendant draw for a chair. Draw for a chair. I don't know if I hit or fling. I don't know what it is. So when she draw for the chair now, my mother start draw for something else because my mother have the little girl with her. Anyways, and stop it there, so whatever, what have you. It stop there, so you never go no further right there. So when she draw for the chair, my mother draw for something. When my mother pass now and go down to my auntie, when my auntie there, do not respond to them in the comments. If you're going to respond, come off of the live, do not respond to them in the comments.
Go on, continue.
When she go down to the hardware where the other auntie was, my mother told my aunt what took place because it is her daughter. It is her daughter. So as me say, the family knows the pump attendant. We know her. My auntie say, we are going to go down there and we're going to clear this up. This is going done now. Because she draw something hit my mother while the niece is there. While the little girl is there. She go down there. When she go down there, the altercation start again. When she go down there now, the lady take up the gas something and spray my mother with the gas. When she spray my mother with the gas, my auntie jump on her. Jump on her, drag her to the ground. Now she see at that moment, she was scraped or stabbed or whatever. She don't have no stab in her eye. She not get stab up. There's a cut on her face, as per what I heard. Because I haven't seen the lady. There's a cut on her face. So she not get no stab up.
Hold on the moment. Yo, watch your chat. Watch your style of chat. Watch your man.
Me now watch your chat.
Hold on. You know if you watch your chat now, me I just chat, man. Just make you talk, no. Oh, now go say a lie and me never did it and who never did it. Just
me never
talk and deliver, no man. Make you deliver, no man. Make you think go up to me time, but we can ask the right question, no man. Wanna move so.
It's fine.
We have to ask the right question, you know. We have to ask the right question. Just give her a chance to talk, no man. Please.
So, when my auntie jump on her and drag her to the ground, man. Whatever happened to her face on whichever side. So, the pump attendant must take out a lighter, lighty or pinky or whatever the gas catch, she light a fire. She light a fire, whatever, what have you. You know, she go left there, so go down a hospital, the pump attendant go a private doctor for her face, whatever, what have you. No. The news media say she gets stabbed up. And say she in a hospital. She never in a hospital at no point in time. She not go hospital. She's not in no hospital. I mean, I really come on here for like bash her or whatever.
That me here too. That me here. Me say she not in the hospital. That me here.
Me not bash her or say she a liar or if I should have catch she or whatever. Me not compare yourself if say all of that. Or whatever. Because we up and down and try to get help for her. Everybody just around with everything in news start saying out something when nothing no. When news are sent out that people are say a man or whatever. My mother a big woman. Me a 22 over 23 this year. She a big woman. She not have time for that. So I know nothing like that day.
Other part that we did really want clear for true, yo. I got to talk about a man and woman, your mother go they come
I don't know.
I'm not sure the thing. Yeah, you know what somebody tell me in a real life, you know. Say the pump attendant, baby, hold on. Somebody tell me say the pump attendant current boyfriend are your mother ex. That true? That all no wait. Me know if I lie.
Nothing but that. Nothing like that. They no go so. None of them something there. None of them something there. But everybody go roll with, for no one person here, I just feel like say it's a good source I get it from, them I go with it. And that's fine, nothing wrong. What me not like, we never company media and bash the pump attendant. None of we never company media and bash the pump attendant. So when people are gonna say, oh, she should have dead, or oh, he had a sister, them should have catch a fire, all like she a tell, da 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 da. Half of them people here where they say they sitting here, some of the people them also they live in the lane where we live and live next door. Me not even know them people here, me not know none of them, we don't know none of them. None of them people live in a lane.
Watch your mama in a real life. Your mother probably mama and talk it truth. Your mother them type of somebody that talk it truth.
My mother head will go. My mother, our head hot in the sense where, you see, if you're in an argument with her, she will cuss you till that kingdom come.
She will defend it.
She got, because she a big woman, a woman with tough in her life.
Watch your mama. So watch you know, the second encounter when she come at the gas station, the day when the fight go on. What really she say she got the gas station for? If come buy gas, don't.
No,
what she come back for? What she come back for? What she come back for? That one. What
she never leave. She never leave and come back. She come back with her sister, my auntie. She come back with my auntie because when she have passed the pump attendant, she dragged for a chair and the woman daughter there right there so. So why you that drag for a chair? Me not go do no, honestly, me not tell no lie, not give me respect, say come out with whatever and something. But if you add people in our box, I don't know who you add in our box. I mean, I go back and forth.
Watch out, no, man. She sent for other. Watch out, Manda.
Okay.
So what you say first? No violation. No.
Not valid. Me want you for ask her a couple questions.
Ask her. No, me I give a chance. Ask her. Cause probably.
Is it okay for me to ask you some questions?
Mama, you will allow her. You will allow her.
You can go ahead.
All right,
because we did hear from your first, from the live did start. Me not gonna try and make it seem like me I disrespect your mother or anything, yeah?
You
just want to get that
no
out there. You said that your mother them had the conflict with the money, the change with the other pump, the pump assistants and the bike man.
Yeah.
And they had and she gave your mother give the bike man the change, which she shouldn't, which she should hand it to the pump assistant and make the pump assistant do what she should do from then. Okay. So the altercation happened with your mother and the lady on that day, you said, right?
The first altercation, yes.
On that day, the first altercation. And then was it squashed then?
Squash in this, they never fight. If I that you talk about squash, because somebody come between them, so they never fight. They never do no stabbing, no licking or nothing. Only thing is, she go over the station and she report it after that. Nothing never happened that day.
Okay, and that's the day, and on the first day, that's the day that she went to go and get the gas for the generator.
That is when she go get gas.
I see him there, everything. I see him there, everything transpired. Not 2 days.
Not the burning.
I know over 2 days.
So when did the burning happen?
The burning happened Thursday gone. Thursday was gone. The burning happened. But that incident was in January. The first incident about was in January. My apologies. I said this. Remember, I said that the day they done and gone.
So what
that's why
after
I
she
was trying to understand.
After she got January, she just come back. After she just come back.
That's what that's what I was trying to understand, because I was trying to understand if it happened over a period of day within the same week. But now she's saying that it happened in January.
No, it happened back in January. The first thing happened. The second time, no.
Yeah. A Thursday. Second time was Thursday.
Thursday was gone.
From my side, look into it now side. You see what that makes sense now? It have look like she come back to blood clot, the CMD come pick war, and then the CMD go. Everybody make it look like I CMD. Somebody else wait in a real life. Then they catch up last week, or then they fight, talk it through. Then they catch up or fight last week, nothing like that.
No, not like that. Nothing like that. Mind you, remember she confirmed with the manager of the gas station if she can come buy gas. Because at the only gas station, if she forget gas, she has to go all the way and stop. So she confirmed before she go back there. So when it happened the month, remember it's a generator she have. She still a buy gas, coming down, she still a buy gas. She still a go back at the gas station and buy gas, But that day that it happened, she not go down there to buy gas. She's going to address it. We are focused on getting her airlifted out of the country to get some help at the JMS. That's the #1 burn center in the world in Augusta, Georgia.